and Mama's Jeep.
Yeah, T's behind us and Mama's Jeep. And Mama, Bubba, Wyatt, Tate.
And Dad's out there.
Took it down to 47.
Hi, some people.
Okay, you ready?
Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Oh, we got wet. Was that fun? Get in that one? Whoa!
This is not.
Look, there's big water down there. Oh my
Dude.
goodness!
Oh, Diddy Creek
Oh my
rolling.
goodness, oh my goodness.
Wow! I mean, I've never seen it like that. Oh.
We're still in big water. We're still in big water.
We are still in big water.
Oh, yes, we are.
Oh, yes, we are. Down there at the big water.
That is big water.
So we're considering crossing this. We got our front end in. We're testing to see if it's going to wash. But this is definitely one of those situations that you hear about where you turn around, don't drown. How deep do you think it is, people?
It's gonna be close to 30.
Tell them to be real careful. Be so careful.
Be real careful. Be real careful. Wow! It does.
You got us.
We really didn't intend to video this. We were just kind of going to go out and see the water. So we apologize for the quality of the video.
Bumpy videos.
Yeah, it's going to be bumpy, and we're really sorry about that. But we didn't bring any of our good video equipment to do this. So apologize for that. I hope it makes a good video, even with the background noise of the.
Deers! I said deers!
You saw deers?
Hey, let's splash! Let's splash! I love you so much.
I love you so much.
There's water.
Hey, don't splash in it, people.
Okay.
It's so easy.
Okay.
Hey, Paul.
Did I splash?
Yeah.
I thought I went easy.
way,
Yeah.
we've gone before and made it all the way through. This way, we've never made it all the way through.
Dad,
But we can try either
that
one.
way, people. Dad, go that way, people. Go that way, people. Go that people.
Hold
That,
on.
that way we have made it all the way through.
Is there a creek crossing?
Probably. I don't remember. It's been a
Because
long
it's
time.
going down.
If there is, we can turn around and come back.
Possibly, you may have to turn around and come back up this.
I don't know which way to go here. Either which way. That looks like just a, well, I don't know, something comes out of the back of it.
Hey, what is that? Water.
Close your eyes so you can't see it. That's big water.
Hey. I don't have a close my eyes.
Look at that.
Hey, people. Go real easy. People.
There's the road.
Yeah, I'm just going down here to look.
Hey, people.
Just going down here to look. Just looking. Hey, Stinker.
Hey. Mama. I don't want to get it.
We're not getting in it.
We're just looking. See? Where are you aiming for here?
Well, I was thinking about going right through there, but I don't know how deep that is either.
Okay.
I want to go. Are you going back?
We're still going this way. I'm not just kidding. That's water.
Yes, you are kidding.
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know I was kidding. Hold on, give me a second to get.
It's much deeper than I thought. Is that a motorcycle or ATV? Or am I seeing things?
I see something there, but I can't tell what it is.
Is that a four-wheeler?
I believe it is.
Free new toy.
Looks like they planted it on that tree.
Oh, yes.
Maybe somebody right here. Maybe somebody right here turkey hunting or something. Evaluation. There's not people been crossing it. Just look, well, it could be just the water rolling down here.
Yeah, it's crossable.
I think so. You got it?
Hold on. I got, you know, one full.
Yeah.
Full foot.
Oh, we got two hands.
Today was to see Natural Bridge. I feel like we kind of accomplished that.
Yeah, we got to see it rolling, and we got to cross. What creek is that?
Is it Little Shoal?
Little Shoal Creek.
I don't know. I'd have to look.
I think it is Little Shoal Creek. We crossed it, I'm going to say at least 4 times. And it was deep. We're running 35-inch tires on both these Jeeps, the Black Sheep and Scrap. And it was up at least over the tires on one of those crossings today. And but it wasn't threatening. The worst water we.
People's talking.
Sorry, that's my grandson. The worst water we saw was actually not really that close to Magazine. It was over closer to Spring Mountain.
Stay right here. Let people talk for a minute.
And it was
Stay right here, okay?
basically a low water bridge. And you guys, I think we got footage of it. Now the 4-door Jeep didn't have any trouble whatsoever, but the Black Sheep, the 2-door, don't really know why, but it had a little more. It had a little more trouble. You kind of feel the back end of it kind of getting moved around a little. But anyway, it was a great day for water crossings and a really good day. The only bad thing about this day is we really didn't intend to video this. We were just kind of going to go out and see the water. So we apologize for the quality of the video.
Bumpy videos.
Yeah, it's going to be bumpy, and we're really sorry about that.